Synthetic biology, the artificial cell. What is DNA? DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, which is the building block of life. It is stored in the nucleus of the cell. Synthetic biology is the creation of new biological systems, parts, and devices, and the redesign of existing ones in order to increase usefulness. Synthetic biology is used to study origins of life by recreating a cell from raw chemicals and in a laboratory. Basically, it is the idea that humans can create life. In 1957, Dr. Thomas Chang created the first artificial cell, a red blood cell. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which is an iron-based biomolecule that binds to oxygen so that it can be transported throughout the body. Dr. Chang created modified hemoglobin molecules using a combination of chemicals that are found in red blood cells for short-term transport of oxygen for patients with anemia and other blood diseases. An artificial cell was finally made in 2010 by Dr. J. Craig Venter. Dr. Venter thought that if a combination of chemicals can be used to create molecules that help carry out life processes, what else can they make? The team took half a DNA strand from a Mycoplasma mycoides, a goat pathogen, a contagious respiratory disease. The scientists worked diligently to create half of a DNA strand using the computer to generate a code and chemicals often found in DNA to make the second half of the helix. The artificial DNA, containing over 1 million base pairs, the longest DNA strand ever, was inserted into the empty related bacterium cytoplasm and took over the cell. By empty, we mean that there was no nucleus and that the other organelles were present and functioning in their basic cellular processes. Because the artificial DNA emulated real DNA so well, it started to replicate within the bacterium. It then produced offspring like any other living cell, and now there is a new species of disease. Yay us! Warning, the effects of this bacterium have not been studied in depth yet. It could become an even more dangerous respiratory disease for humans and could possibly eradicate our species, although controversial. This issue marks a major advancement in science.